Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Officially proscribed are members of these vigilante groups who have supported their communities and conventional security in curbing crime over the years.
I sought to see the law establishing Benue Vigilante Group. And no one could lay hands on any law establishing Benue Vigilante Group.
The chief executive's pronouncement disbands not just them, but anyone seen wearing the group's uniform will be arrested with immediate effect. He, however, made provision for those interested in joining the officially accepted civilian security group.
Those of them who are eligible can go back to their kindreds and wards and get registered there, because we're going to train you this time around. It's not just going to be saying I'm a vigilante and you're wearing uniform. This time you'll be trained and you'll be kitted properly. The weapons that are legal will also be given to you. And it's not a parallel thing. This is not a militia group that we're trying to form.
As part of measures to complement conventional security agencies in securing the state lawfully, the state government recently adopted the law to provide for the establishment of Community Volunteer Guards 2000.